Hey guys, I haven't done a cemetery video in a long time, and I don't think that I've ever actually been to this one or done a video at this one. It's the Emmanuel Lutheran Cemetery, and it has some pretty old stones here. And look at all I got it so cold in my car and it's hot outside, so I'm fogging up here. Well, let's go check it out. I've always wanted to stop by this one, but I think I usually just end up driving past. But we'll look at some of the really beautiful older stones that they have here, and let's check it out. And so as you can see, like, this is definitely a newer side to the cemetery. Oh, my glasses are fogging up here. And then on this side, this is older, kind of mixed with some of the newer ones. This old church here in the background is really cool. Really love the look of it. It's got some really cool cemetery gates around here. It's a little windy right now this morning. These stones here are just gorgeous. I love the lichen that forms on there. It's beautiful. This is the newer side, but I wanted to show you guys this because I don't know if I've ever seen this before. So, I mean, obviously I've seen these. Really, Mr. Truck? Seriously? Seriously. As I was saying, I don't think I've seen this before. I mean, obviously I've seen the vaults like this where they do the concrete over it, but I don't know that I've ever seen anyone do hearts. It's pretty cool. Definitely different. This one here had a pretty large tree growing inside, and it looks like they chopped it down or it died. So here's Emma Pfluger. We're in Pflugerville, so this was probably one of the original Pflugers that lived here, and this baby did not survive for more than a year. Born April 9th, 1879, died September 29th, 1880. To get a little closer to the gates over here to show you the entrance here. This is really beautiful. I love these old stone pillar gates. not a very large cemetery, so it's kind of sparse here up front. Obviously lots of noisy trucks, but you can see the whole thing from here. So that truck back there, that's the back of it. So not huge, not a huge cemetery, kind of nice, small cemetery. All right, so that's it. Man, have you guys seen me with my beard? I don't think you guys have. So hope you enjoyed this little cemetery trip. I was already over here doing a donation at the animal shelter for some cat food, and this is super near that, and I always want to stop by here and I never do. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Go watch another video, like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you guys for always watching. Until next time, get your haunt on.